few people here for this event. Just a few. What's up, YouTube? Logan here from J5 Studios. Currently waiting in line to do the D23 Tiana's Bayou Adventure event they got going on tonight. Line's kind of long. We're going to get in here. We're going to get the wristbands, head on over, and be able to ride the brand new Magic Kingdom attraction, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Come along. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let's do it. Here he is. He's got the D23 sign for us. Waiting for our turn. All right. Wristband. Obtained. Look at that. But the real cool thing is, check out this pen. That thing's a monster, man. D23 exclusive pen. Pretty rad. Head over into Magic Kingdom now. And then heading back to ride it. Magic Kingdom. Annual pass holder. Here we go. Okay, so obviously there's been 1,000 different videos out at this point of the ride. I have not actually watched any of them. I have basically ignored all of my fellow content creators that have went on the ride just because I wanted to see it firsthand, get my own thoughts and opinions on it before I watch their stuff. So I'm gonna go in there today, do this, enjoy it. Hopefully it's great. Like, Splash Mountain was such a good ride, and I'm just not gonna sit here and say stuff that everybody else has already said, but we're hoping for at least on par with the old attraction as far as enjoyment. And Princess and the Frog is a really good movie. Its animation's fantastic, the music's fantastic. So I'm hoping that's good. I wish Dr. Facilier was in it. I do know he's not in it because he's a cool villain, and Keith David voices him, and Keith David's cool as frick. But I'm ready to experience it and give a true opinion about it and what I think. And we have arrived at the newest attraction here, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Hoping the ride is working tonight. There's no issues. Everything's going to be great. 100% rock and roll. Perfect attraction is what I am hoping for here. Yeah, they do. Look, you can see them down there. No people in them yet. Man, I'm so excited. You guys notice these little frog feet right here? Yeah, right there too. There's little frog feet in the sign. Look at that. People already enjoying the ride. Oh man, we gotta get going. Let's go. The hype is real, folks. This is so exciting. So daggone exciting. Wow, they got the freaking band out for this. How about that? Them boys are jamming over there. Look at them. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the queue. The queue really doesn't look that much different. I think this is new. The ground may be a little new. Wow, look at this. That mural up there, that's definitely new. The main entrance, all that stuff. Man. Yeah, the queue doesn't look that much different. It's definitely still the same windy trail that you took before. Got the Tiana's food truck here. It is themed like after the movie, so like her restaurant would be around. So that explains some of the theming here, and also why Dr. Facilier isn't in the ride. But man, I like that car. That's pretty dope. The boys are rocking and rolling over there, man. Rocking and rolling. Better shot of the car here. Fresh paint job. Looks brand freaking new. Tiana's freaking Foods. We're going in. I already see everybody recording it, but apparently this is an Easter egg right here for Splash Mountain. So they claim. It might just be people making that up, to be honest with you. Caution, you may get wet. It's a log flume. You should get wet. Here we see some awards. Looks like Tiana makes some pretty freaking good hot sauce. And beignets. and jalapenos. Look at all the theming in this freaking hallway, man. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's funny. Love that. Here's a little beignet shop right here. Little beignet shop. The whole gang getting their pictures here. Like, this is new art too, which is really cool that they have this. That means they've redrew this just for the ride. You got some letters here, certificates. There's your little safety first sign here. Kind of strolling along. This is your last chance right here. I don't know why you do that. Here we go. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Here we go. Go down in New Orleans. Oh man, I see Tiana. I see Tiana right there.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Lewis up ahead and find some musicians.
Wow, that looks good as frick. Oh, this is always where my feet get wet. Oh, I think this is good. That big boy.
Oh, yo, any fans out here? Come out, wherever you are.
Ah, looks like an alligator. I'm almost there.
In foreign musicians, you don't have far to go.
Woo! Oh, crap! Wow, look at this.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Donico band she found can play. Hallelujah!
Wow, look at these guys.
No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band and jump.
Wow.
These cats can play.
I'm asking all of them to play at the prom, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
Dang, we got a traffic jam.
But let's explore.
There's an alligator butt.
How's this?
Y'all ready to get down to business?
That actually don't look too bad. I think this might be the double. There's a double hop.
Our little friends below are doing.
Woo! Ooh, I like that light. That was cool. I really like the light. The light made you feel like you were like going way, way. Oh, this always flashes real bad. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Oh, there it is. God dang. Why'd she get so big? Are we supposed to be frogs?
Enjoy this hobbit.
These tiny musicians you found really.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're supposed to be like frogs.
Choo-choo said it's time I get you back to science. But invite your little friends to tag along too.
Here we go.
Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time.
Here we go. Oh! Here we go. Definitely soaked. Wow, time for the grand finale.
This party wouldn't be what it is without you.
No snake? Ah, there he is.
You.
First thoughts, that was really a lot of fun. And upon exiting the ride, they have frozen treats here. Also got some H2O here. I might grab me one of these little frozen treats.
Yeah, but it's gonna be nice.
Thank you. All right, just got done riding it twice. Gonna come back maybe later when it gets darker out and try to ride it again. Still gathering my initial thoughts of the ride. We'll be back to ride it again. All right, some time has passed. There are still people enjoying the ride. I'm filming strangers. And time to get back and try to ride it at night. Maybe get some different footage as the sun's starting to go down. See what it looks like at night. Top tier trash can here at the old Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Just wanted to get that on film before heading in. If you look really close right here, you can see the remains of the frog. No more frog. Lights are on. Gonna ride it again. The lights are on. I think it's the fourth time.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Louis up ahead and find some musicians for our party. We're going to the Bayou.
Alright everybody, so I'm going to voice over this ride footage here and give you guys a quick review. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. There's 5 million reviews out there, so it's like, you know, you guys have seen enough already if you're watching YouTube people. So overall, at first, I kind of thought the story was hard to follow on this, but also, like, I can't even tell you what the story of Splash Mountain was, so if we're comparing ride to ride, it is what it is. I did figure it out, you know, basically you're trying to find this band to perform at the end, and you turn into frogs for a little bit, which brings up my major gripe of this is I did not like the 3D, 2D screen use. Like, the 2D stuff looked great, but when they were 3D, or whatever the heck they were supposed to be on the screens, it just didn't look right. It just, I don't know what they were trying to do there. Mostly talking about the Tiana and Louis scene. It just, I don't know, it looked really fake. But the biggest positive of this is definitely the animatronics. The animatronics all look very good. There are a few little cheap ones here and there where it's just like a body swivel or hands moving up and down, but the Tiana and Mama Odie ones and Louis ones, all wonderful. As far as the finale goes, it works. I think the song's catchy. It's gonna have its place, that's for sure. I mean, the Zippity Doo-Dah ending was fantastic for Splash Mountain, but in general, I have a lot of hope in this ride. I think it's going to do pretty well, and hopefully you guys get the chance to ride it sooner rather than later. And if you have rode it, let me know in the comments below what the heck you think about it, and let me know if I'm a complete idiot on my review or not. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Until next time.